If you want to stay consistent on social media without living on camera, B-roll reels are your secret weapon, and there is a smarter way to build them than you might think. They are fast to produce, easy for your audience to consume, and the algorithm absolutely loves them. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, repeatable system to create those scroll-stopping clips, from planning to capture to publishing. Plus, I will show you how a tool like Vizard can take the heavy lifting off your plate so you can finally stick to a posting routine. At its core, a B-roll reel is just footage that shows what you are doing while text, music, or audio delivers your message. Instead of talking straight to the camera, your visuals tell the story while on-screen text guides the viewer. This is perfect if you are camera shy or just want to mix up your feed with more cinematic behind-the-scenes vibes. Think of it like the supporting footage in a movie that complements your main shot, but on social media, it often becomes the star of the show. Common B-roll types include single-shot clips with text overlays, multi-clip sequences, or posts that start with a hook frame. These are highly effective because they require low effort and offer massive replay value. Since you don't have to script every line or worry about a perfect take, you can focus on the big ideas. Viewers often rewatch these clips while reading your caption, which is a fantastic way to boost your views and overall reach. B-roll is also the ultimate repurposing tool because you can swipe copy from a blog post or an old video and overlay it on fresh footage. Now, let's step into the prep phase, because the biggest game changer isn't a fancy camera, it is planning. Don't just wander around filming random clips. Instead, think in batches and build a B-roll library you can pull from for months. Start by listing your core business tasks, like editing on your laptop, packaging orders, or even just making your morning coffee. These are real-life moments that show your audience exactly who you are. Next, bundle these tasks into scenes, like a content creation scene that includes a desk shot, a screen close-up, and an over-the-shoulder angle. Film all those in one setup, and you are golden. Try to switch up your outfits or accessories because changing a jacket instantly makes clips feel like they happened on different days. For your gear, your phone is perfectly fine. Just make sure you clean the lens and clear some storage space first. When you are filming, capture variety by getting multiple angles like wide shots, medium shots, and close-ups. Movement also adds interest, so try capturing yourself walking into a scene or closing a laptop to make the edit feel more dynamic. Try to record 30 to 60 seconds per shot to give yourself enough room in the edit to cut and transition smoothly. If you need to see your framing, use a mirror or a second device as a monitor, but remember not to overcomplicate things. Now, let's talk about editing, where Vizard really changes the game by doing the heavy lifting for you. If you have long-form videos like podcasts or webinars, Vizard automatically scans them to find the moments with the best viral potential. It flags interesting sound bites and emotional beats so you do not have to hunt for them manually. You can upload your footage, pick a sequence, and let the tool generate ready-to-post edits with automatic captions. Music matters too, so use Vizard's suggestions to time your cuts perfectly to the beat. For your text, keep it short and punchy, adding one insight per frame to keep your viewers hooked. Organization is key, so dump your footage into named folders and let Vizard do the slicing and sorting for you. You don't need a new idea every single day, you just need new formats for the same core idea. Vizard stands out because it is built for how creators actually work, giving you control without the busy work. Consistency wins, so use scheduling tools to set your cadence and automate your posting process. Finally, remember to review your clip, check your captions, and add a clear call to action. B-roll reels turn posting from a stressful task into a simple routine that grows your audience effortlessly. Don't overthink perfection, just start filming, build your library, and use automation to scale your reach. That is how you turn long-form content into a steady stream of engaging short-form posts. If this helped you, drop a comment or tag me in your next reel because I want to see how you are using these tips. Create confidently, reuse smartly, and I will see you in the next one.